Hello, YouTube. My name is Donna, and um, on February 14, 2015, I lost my youngest child to a syndrome that's unfamiliar to us. I've done a lot of investigating and found out exactly what it is and what was the cause and why it was such a sudden onset and then death within a week's time. Um, I've struggled in moving on with this because it's my child, of course, and it was so unexpected. Um, I'd like to do this video about what to say to people when they lose their child. Please never say, get over it. If you think of saying that to a person who's lost their child, look at your child, look at your mother, look at your sister, look at your brother, look at your best friend, and think of them, and just think of someone telling you, get over it, when you've just lost one of them. Please don't say get over it. Another one that's kind of hard for me to swallow is, she's in a better place. I am her mommy. I was her mommy for 11 years. Please don't tell me where a better place is. To me, a better place is here with her mommy. Another one. Oh, you blame yourself, huh? Any person who's lost a child will tell you when they're ready, or if they're ready to speak about it, that there is an enormous amount of guilt. No matter what happens to your child, no matter how they pass away, there's an enormous amount of guilt. And we don't need anyone reminding us that we feel guilty about our child's circumstances. Ask any parent who's lost their child how quickly they would decide to switch places with their child. And I can guarantee you 100% of them would say, I would take my child's place. So don't say things like, you feel guilty. My child was seen by the doctor more than any normal child or healthy child because she also had asthma and she would have allergic reactions to things, so we would end up in the hospital a lot. So there's feelings there, but for others to question that hurts. So just be more selective with your words, because those are two of the big ones. You feel guilty and she's in a better place. Those two, with my doctor, I've been struggling with my doctor. She told me at the beginning, immediately after my child passed away, she told me, don't apologize for anything. There's no manual on how to deal with this. You deal with it at your own pace. You deal with it on your own time. There's no manual. There's nothing that says, look, when your child dies, this is what you're going to feel like. There's people who write based on their personal experience. Everyone deals with it differently. So I can look at a book and it says, you're going to feel this, you're going to see this, and I'm like, okay, should I be feeling? No, you feel your own way. about these things because it's personal. I've also had one of the psychiatrists that I spoke with, she told me, she said, this is the journey of a select few that were chosen to go through. Those words have stuck. This is maybe a month after my baby passed away that I was told this, and it has encouraged me to look at the bigger picture. It's very easy to be like, why me? And believe you me, I have those moments. Why me? Why my baby? But I believe there's something bigger. And God is preparing me for it. I feel it, I see it, I understand it. It's just a matter of when. Another big one that I went through initially, people will call and say, well, is there anything I can do for you? In the middle of going through all this, I had no idea if I was up. I did not eat for 2 weeks straight. I lost 20 pounds from February 6th to February 14th. I dropped 20 pounds. I could not put a piece of food in my mouth. So the question is there anything to do that I can do for you? Think of things that you would need in that situation. Think of a box of tissue. I stayed at the hospital from the moment I took my child to the hospital. Toiletries, lotion, toothpaste, toothbrush, hairbrush, comb, change of clothes. My mom and my aunt went to my house and just did some cleaning for me. I was at the hospital for 2 weeks. We had just gotten home when I had to rush my child to the hospital, so things were a little disarrayed. So they came and picked up my keys and